a poem titled like A Little Pause. ഇംഗ്ലീഷിലാണ് പറഞ്ഞത്. I lay in the waking, sorry, I lay awake in the darkening eve of night. Time of recent memories passes my eye. Season of laughter and careless wonder claim its whole of my mind. The hour of despair which might descend when hopes failed became mere dreams, consuming the silence of the departed soul, while at peace the dearest grief. Safe in the humble abode I yearn, the companionship of my finest comrades. The season of space divides us afar, yet the bond we share still lingers unfading. I crave the former days of bliss soon return, that I might gaze the beauty of my dearest. Should this misery ends and glory befall, in delight I will meet and embrace them all.